Good morning friends and my dear students. I am Anmol Rajput from class 9 and today I am compare the rich pupils from the poor pupils. So students, firstly I am telling you and I am saying you the human thinking makes a pupil poor or rich. Because when the God birth of a child in this times not a rich or not a poor. So firstly we telling you these words and after that we compare the rich pupils from the poor pupils. So this first cause is that to the birth, because it's a most wanted topic. Because suppose you thinking in their minds, I am giving the examples and we understand to all of you by the giving of the examples. So you suppose that a one children or one child birth in the homes of the shepherds and one child's birth in the homes of landlords. Firstly and the times and the first time or in these times when a birth is into the homes of the shepherd and one child's birth in the homes of landlords in same days and same times and same year. So these both children same. So the birth changes is that because first cause the shepherd's child's when he was age of 2 or 3 years, in these times he grazing the grasses of their animals. In these times when he age of the 4 and 5 years, in this time they also grazing the grasses for their animals like buffaloes, cows or goats. But which children's birth in the homes of the landlords in this time when he was 2 years old, he giving the admission into the public school or any schools, but the priests or the landlords giving the admission of the children or in this time or a child's. So he started the education of their children, but the shepherd's child not started their education. So he grazing the grasses of their animals. So these children compare in these times from the priests or the landlords because he is very intelligent, but these children not know what is education and what we reading and what we studying. They don't know about the study, what is study. So in this time we compare. So this students or this make students, but this is also a simple child. So firstly because of the birth. So in these times these children achieving their goals faster than the shepherds, because when their fathers are very poor, they don't and they're not able to giving the admissions of their wards into the public schools or in the schools. So there is first and the second reason is so, but these are some giving the God gifted problems, but what or about the God gifted problems, but not pupils determined on their work and don't hard working. Suppose not a poor pupils, they know that I am poor, but they don't doing the practice of to making the rich pupils. The gentle pupils or the rich pupils deeds are very great, but they don't show their works. So the poor pupils thinking in their minds, I am making the rich pupils, but which ways you making the rich pupils? Rich pupils doing like these activities. They woke up early in the morning, they're doing the hard working. So in your minds thinking, you don't woke up in the early in the morning and you don't doing the hard working. You don't know about the hard working. You doing hard working. Yes, I am now that. I am not saying that you are don't doing the hard working. You are grazing the grasses of the animals. This is very hard working. But you doing the hard working not in the good ways. So our practice doing the good ways. So this is changes. Thank you and have a nice day.